Hey guys, Steve here again with Crazy American Prepper. And again, I have another review, and this time it's for the Streamlight ProTac HL USB flashlight. Alright, this flashlight is sent to me by Streamlight, so I want to say thank you to them for sending me out a flashlight to review. Now it says USB, the HL USB, that means that you just charge it up with the USB. You slide a sleeve back right here, it slides down, plug it in right here, and the other end you just plug into any USB port. It also has a light right here that flashes green when it needs to, or red when it needs to charge, and it's taking a charge, and then it turns green when it's done. So, and it's also got a sleeve that covers that and it protects that area. So it comes with a pocket clip. Also, it comes with this little black carry case. Slide it in here, Velcro it around. You can put it to your belt. So there you go. It has warnings for being hot along the edge here. Now, as you can see, I've already used it because I've already tested it out. So the button on the back that's how you push it. So there it is. One of the things I don't like, I'll just get it out of the way, is that it does not have to go from low, medium, or high, or strobe. You can't just press and hold it. You press and hold it, don't do anything except turn on and off. How you switch in between functions is you take and you just press it without clicking it. And once you've pressed it, that's below, medium, that's high. Then once you get it to the setting you want, you just click it all the way through, and there you go. Some of the other things about the light, this is an 850 lumen flashlight, so that's pretty powerful, and that's on high. Your medium is 350 lumens, so that's not bad either, and that's at a total runtime, oh I'm sorry, on high 850 lumen power, you're going to use, or the battery life on that's about an hour, hour and a half, and when you're on medium light, it's at 350 lumens, and it'll run time for about 4 hours. And when you're running at low, which is 85 lumens, you will be able to use the light. The battery power will be for about 12 hours. So that's not too bad. As you can see, it's a little beat up right now, but I've already took it through some tests. It is very rugged. It's about 6.5 to 7 inches long. And you can see how big it is there. It's got an anti-roll on it, so it shouldn't roll completely, although it's proving me wrong on the table. Whatever. And on the battery, this is pretty cool. I've not seen other flashlights with this yet. There's that. It's got a gasket on the cap to seal it up, and the battery's just inside. Now they have the first self-adjusting battery spot inside here. It self-adjusts to any size battery you can put in here. This is the battery you get when you get the flashlight. It comes with this battery. Not sure what this battery is, but let's see. Yeah, it doesn't say on here. I'm not sure what it is, but I do know you can put two, I think it's CR123 batteries in it, or you can put one 18650 battery inside of it, and it self-adjusts to the size of the battery that's going inside it. So, and there you go. I mean, it's not a bad flashlight. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is how you adjust in between the light functions. So with that said, let's move on to the tests. It's been 24 hours since we put the flashlight in there, and as you can see, it's not lit up anymore. On the low setting, it's only 85 lumens, but it says it's only runtime for 12 hours. Well, obviously we've went over 12 hours. Hopefully that's all that's wrong with it, is it just ran out of battery life. Well, let's get it out. Yep, she's a solid. And she's back on. Weird. That's high. Well, we'll call that a good test. Let's go ahead and get her charged up for the next test. Alright guys, this will conclude our video review of the Streamlight ProTac HL USB flashlight. I was going to do a night video, let you see the beam and whatnot, but it's a flashlight, it's got a beam, it's a very good light. I give it 2 thumbs up, very awesome. But if you would, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see this flashlight at night and what it looks like, comment down below, let me know. I'll leave a link in the description to buy this flashlight. Thank you for watching.